he's getting it now.
Hey everyone, welcome to Heavy Metal Customs. Today we're working on a little project of Quentin's. We're going to be on and off, like on our breaks, lunchtime, a little bit after work, whenever we can get to it. What he done here, he run down to Wally World and bought this, what is it, a Huffy?
29-inch Huffy.
29-inch Huffy bike. He said it didn't cost much. It's actually a pretty good looking bike. It's a 18-speed, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, and what his plan here is he bought a 80cc little two-stroke gas motor kit to install on this bike. Let me get y'all up real close here. Check out everything. Because we've already been piddling with it just a little bit. But there's the engine. Yep, definitely not a big block Hemi, but I think once we get all this done, it'll get this bike pretty good. The engine just sits down in the frame there. And yes, we've already started modifying. You can see the front here, we had to cut into a V. It was a round groove. But you see, the frame's a V. So we're trying to get everything to sit just perfect. Now this little engine kit, what'd you say, it's like $100?
On sale.
Yeah, it came with the engine, cool little gas tank, which he's done mounted on. I mean, fits perfect. Yeah, there's the muffler, got the carburetor, it's got everything you need. The chain, the tensioner, the pulley, throttle, I mean, you name it, it's got it.
Kill switch.
Yeah, it's a good, complete kit. But what we're trying to do now, I think the first things first, is get the engine on the frame where it's supposed to be. And here's the biggest thing with that, guys. A lot of these frames are different and stuff, so you are going to have to modify and shim to get it there. Keep in mind, when you get this thing mounted, that the little carburetor has to be level. That's the big deal. You have to get that carb level so don't have no float trouble or anything like that. So that's what we're going to do first. And on this project, we're actually doing it different. The way this thing is designed, of course, the engine sits here. And it's got the little gear you've seen on the motor. And you run and you put a gear back here on the back with some rubber shim things, whatever. Well, that just makes it a direct drive. And that may get, what, maybe 15 mile an hour?
20, going downhill maybe.
Yeah, if you're lucky. But what we're looking for is to really, really get some performance out of this and see how much gas mileage we can get out of this little engine as well, and top speed. So what we're going to do is mount that gear to the crank. That way we got all 18 speeds.
Yes,
I mean, wish us luck. We've never done one like this before. But I got to thinking about it, and I was telling Quentin, hey, you know, if we could keep all the gears,
better.
then, yeah, I mean, I think it'd just be a ton better.
Oh, yeah.
But just stick with us. We're going to piddle with it on and off, and we'll finally get this thing running and get a good test drive out of it.
Oh, yeah.
All right, guys. Good little time this morning. Quentin's back on the bicycle. What we've decided, he's going to do it the conventional way, like the directions say, you know, going straight to the back wheel for a direct drive. The only reason we're doing that right now, he just really needs this bicycle to be up and running for this weekend. What the deal is, once the engine is mounted in there, which has got it mounted good, straight, and solid, the gear does not line up with our gear down here. We need this motor to come out about 1 inch. Now that may be something that we do at a later time, but for now he's going to do the what's the factory settings, whatever,
Yeah.
the way it's supposed to go. You got this, you got some rubber spacers, you got some metal plates, and it just bolts on like so, voila. We'll let him get that bolted on and slapped on there. Then we'll see how the chains, the straightness of the chain from there. Because I think you got the motor mounted where it needs to be. All right, guys, Quentin's been making leaps and bounds on this thing. Get that rear sprocket on there. See how it's sandwiched in there between the rubbers, between the spokes, and then you got the metals here. You just tighten it up until it's square. He went ahead and got the engine tight. We had to cut the exhaust and move it over because the pedal was hitting. Did that get it this time? We got room?
Yes, sir.
Okay, cool. Like I said, they got the engine tight. Clutch handle went on there, just no problem. Same way as the throttle handle. Just had to loosen these up, move them in a little bit. Same way with this one. Just move this in. This is the front brake. We don't care about it. But it'll still be able to get at the back brake good.
Oh, yeah.
So the throttle and everything's on there, and the clutch handles. So now it's a matter of just, let's see, and you said the exhaust is going to work.
Got to hook the chain, put the clutch assembly, and the throttle assembly.
And throw some gas in it, we'll be able to fire this bad boy up.
Yeah.
All right, guys, this is really not a bad kit. Just follow the directions. Like I say, there's going to be some modifying in anything you do. This may fit your bike perfect. I think it's, what does it say? Perfect for most 26-inch bikes?
26-inch frames, yes, sir.
Yeah, this is a 29. So yeah, a little bit of a difference there. And it's basically, it's not for a multi-speed bike, it's for like a beach cruiser type single speed. So for yours, it may be a lot easier to install without all the rigmarole that we're going through. But yeah, let's keep on keeping on and see how this is going to work out. All right, I come back from lunch. Quentin's got this all together, I think. We hope. Yeah, quite a little setup. But I'll say again, I'm glad he bought a black bike. That way everything just sort of rolls together and looks good. Yeah, pretty cool. I think what we're gonna do, we're gonna mix some gas and see if she'll go.
Yeah.
All right, let us mix some gas and we'll see what's going on with it. All right, you put a mix in. 18 to 1 mix. 19 to 1 mix. All right, 19 to 1 mix. We got fuel in her. And what he's going to do is try to get this thing raised up where we can just crank it and get it going. We'll turn the gas on so it's slow.
Well, we wondered. So we're not surprised. It had been discussed, you know.
Let's get situated, we'll try it again. All right, we're going to try the pedal thing.
Clutch is in.
I got a feeling he's going to wear himself out on this one. All right, take 437. We think the clutch was not disengaging enough, so we took the little clutch assembly off to check it. Like I told Quentin, I said, try it. We know the clutch is fully engaged, so. That's gonna be rough to crank, ain't it?
Yeah.
Alright, well, you gonna put the clutch on it now that we know what the problem probably was?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're gonna kill yourself. Let's put the clutch back on it, we'll try that. But at least now, every time it cranks, the motor's turning over where before it was not.
It was that.
Well, we heard noise. Hurry up, it's raining. Got choke on?
I did. I took it off. Now it's on.
Man, that thing's gonna wear you out just getting it started.
It was running.
Yeah.
And it died out after, well, I pulled the choke off. And it died completely. I tried to give it fuel. It was like I had nothing. I don't. It just feels like, and it keeps turning. It can't be. There's something in there not right.
This is turning on the white plastic piece in there.
Yes.
But that is, I feel throttle.
That's the spring pulling it back.
You know, some things just going to keep on. Well, it's a brand new motor.
Damn it. You need to do that.
Oh, they get retighten that.
Did you do that?
Huh. Oh, rain. We had to go behind the tree where we can't see him. It's running. Pull it on in. Oh, it died on him. But hey, it runs. You know, I'd like to, if you can get it running, get it in here and let it idle. All right, what he's trying to do is get this thing where he can pull it in here idling. It seems to be running pretty good. Yeah, I don't want to stand out in the rain, especially with my camera. Yeah, he's cruising it.
We got one light on it.
All right, I turned the idle screw up a little bit. We're going to see if we can get this thing to idle and how it revs and all that BS. If it'll stay running long enough to get in here. Huh. All right, she idle. Shorten the gas line a little bit and adjust the idle speed. You can idle it up a little more if you want. Take it off, son. Kill works.
It's a lot of fun.
That is just cool. Let me give y'all another walk around on this thing. Everything that was done to it. Let's say everything was in the kit. We had a bunch of stuff left over for his hardware and stuff for different bikes.
Plenty of bolts and nuts.
Yeah, they didn't skimp out on things. Everything went on there and fit fairly well. Some modification, but that's going to be on any. Now, basically all they do is you just need to ride this thing, get it broke in, just at idle a little bit more. Let's look around here. I may have some good thick gear oil when you get that chain soaked down. That definitely needs to be done. But besides that, I think it's a runner, and I think we're going to call that a success. Well, Wynn's took it up and down the road a couple of times, so it did pretty good. It's idling. Biggest thing is it just needs to be running. Get all that paint burn off that muffler. Let the little motor get broken in, then we can readjust the idle and, you know, do a little bit of fine tuning, as they say. But that's about all there is. There's no other adjustments on that carburetor, just the idle. And you got your manual choke. That's it. It's pretty simple. Then again, as far as just put a project together, this wasn't bad at all. Actually, it was pretty fun. First one I done. First one Quentin's done. So, yeah, it's all new to us. But hope y'all enjoyed it. Like I say, we enjoyed building it. And glad to put it on the video for y'all to see. If you would, throw us down some comments. If you're able, hit us up on Patreon and or Super Thanks. And please like, share, and subscribe. Again, appreciate it much. Till the next one, we hope that everyone has a fantastic day.